again. So I made a mistake with the timing, so I do have a little bit of time. So I thought I would show what you can do um, if you're pregnant, and what areas to avoid, especially if you put your feet up against on your husband and you're asking for a foot massage, which is that case happens quite regularly. You have to be careful because you can't press just anywhere. So the places to be cautious with in massage if you are pregnant is you do not put any pressure on the abdomen area at all. You can gently rub around this area in a clockwise manner, and I'll tell you which oils later. You don't put any pressure on the lower back at all, nothing. You can just gently stroke, but no pressure at all. On the feet, in these areas, which is at the ankles, no pressure whatsoever. You cannot do any pressure. That's where the ovaries are. This area up here is where the womb is, so you will not put any pressure there either. This area is the fallopian tubes, and so you don't put any pressure whatsoever in that area. You can do those areas, all these areas that I showed you, abdomen, lower back, and the areas on the feet. You can do those if you are having problems conceiving. Those are the areas that you would want to stimulate. But if you do these, you would not do them if you were pregnant at all, or if you suspect that you are pregnant. You would only do them if you were absolutely sure you were not pregnant and if you were trying. So I recommend that if you go on a proper detox and of everything, and from your husbands and your spouses, and do these pressure points for a few weeks, a couple of weeks, and then stop, and then you can start again to be with your husbands. Now, this area here at the back of the foot, that part here, is also where the baby would be lying. So you would not put any pressure there either. Okay? So no pressure here, no pressure at the ankles, the fallopian tubes, the womb, the abdomen, and the lower back. It's fine to use your neck and shoulders. If you've got headaches, you can use that. Hands again, a little bit careful because we also have the reflexes on the hands. This area here is the spine. It's exactly as it is on the feet if you have a reflexology chart. So you're going to be careful in all these areas around here. And the oils that you can use is a little bit of peppermint if you're pregnant, a little bit of lavender and rosemary. When I say a little bit, I mean half the normal dosage of what you would use. So if in a 10 ml you put 5 drops, if you were pregnant you could put 2 to 3 drops and that would be it. Mandarin is also a very nice oil, it uplifts you, makes you feel cheerful. You don't want to use any oils which are emenogs. Emenog meaning it increases blood circulation. So like lemon and citrus fruits, you would avoid them. And I think that's it. I do recommend massage during pregnancy. It really does help you connect with your baby. It's nice for your husbands or wives to also stroke the belly and have that connection. If you're listening to relaxation music when you're having massage, the baby also recognizes that music after birth, and also acknowledges and understands, knows the feeling. It's familiar with the feeling of relaxation because you've been having that through your pregnancy. So it's very important to help yourself relax through this beautiful period of your lives, and use aromatherapy, use massage, be careful, do your homework, do some research, perhaps go see a therapist first, then if you're not sure. And there's lots of books as well, and there are people who do courses just on baby massage and pregnancy massage. So that's it. I hope you had a a lovely time listening to this information. If you need anything, any advice, any more advice, just write in the comments below, and I'll try to answer you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.